So they just said, oh, Merry Christmas, we give gifts to people. Have you heard of Secret Santa? Yeah, so you just pick a name and then you give presents, yeah, that's it. That's all most people that aren't Christian do in Australia.
Sir, she said you will.
These are motorcycles. There's so many motorcycles here. In Australia, I see like, every time I drive from my house anywhere, I see 1 or 2 motorcycles. Here, I see them everywhere. So that's a culture shock. So hot. In Australia, it's hot, but it's dry hot. So all like, you feel very dry. You need water. Here, it's very humid hot, so very sticky, very hot like that. So that's another culture shock. Oh, in Australia, anytime you meet someone, you give them a hug. Like, I don't know, it's really weird. Like, I don't like it that much. So anytime you say hi to any like, girls, they come and hug you, say hi, how are you? I like the handshake. So here it's really good. I like the handshake. It's really easy. But yeah, that's another culture shock with like meeting people in Australia.
Australia and Asia have different characteristics. One of them is race.
Yeah.
And what do you think about Asian girls?
Asian girls. That's a hard question. I'll answer the first part. When you said different race, I think in Australia it's very multicultural. Like in my school, there was only 2 Australians because everyone is from all around the world. So Australia is a very multicultural country. It's not just Australia. So in them school, it was that 1 Australian in the whole school. So it's very hard to find an actual Australian because everyone is a mix of everything. And Asian girls, I don't understand the question. I think, no, there's not Asian girls in Australia. So it's not like I haven't seen Asian. I didn't hear any questions from 1, 2, 3. Do you have questions?
First, sorry that I can speak English too much, but one thing you like in Indonesia and why you like it?
I think food is tastier. In Australia, everyone's a bit bland. Also, everyone's more nice here. In Australia, they are nice, but you have to be nice first, and then they'll be nice to you. If you go in the like trains, if you go anywhere, especially in Sydney, where I live, it's very businessy. Not many people talk to each other. I think the culture here is much better than Australia. Like the community is much better. And it's much cheaper.
Much cheaper.
Like, it is really cheap. Like,
How much in your country?
for this one in my country it is 60,000. 60,000 Indonesian rupees just for the food. So I think when you work in Australia, you get a bit more money, but you spend a lot more money on anything. So I think if you lived here and had a really, really good job, it would be much easier to live compared to Australia. Even houses, it's really hard to find a house in Sydney. So opposite my university, there's a 1-bedroom apartment, 1 million Australian dollars. So that's how much Australian? 1 million Australian dollars. One million? What's 1 million?
1 juta.
1 million Australian dollars.
One.
Wait, that's Australian. 1 million. How many rupees? 1 million 0,000. That's how much. It's not 1 million because it's more than that. 1 million Australian dollars. So put in the calculator. Yeah. 1 million Australian dollars. AUD. Yeah. So that's just for 1 bed. 1 bedroom. That's it. That's for 1 bedroom. In the city, it's so hard.
20 miliar.
That's yeah. Yes. No, that's American.
1 juta Australia dolar 20 miliar.
US dollar. No. 1 million.
Satu.
No. It's US dollar. 1 million 8 Australian dollars.
10 miliar.